Here we are in a town called Catarina. Way up there is a volcano called Monbacho. It's still active. And it's a little far from us here, but we have the Laguna de Apoyo right in front of me, right here. It is an open crater, volcano crater. Isn't that awesome? Open volcano, guys. Isn't that cool? It's called Laguna de Apoyo. And down there, right beside the volcano crater, it's a little town. That's a little town right here. Right beside the lagoon. We call it Laguna de Apoyo. And it was made of from the volcano. It's a town from there. I wish it was so windy so you guys can see it really good. This little town here. Windy out here yet. So, there's a highway over there too. So the highway goes all around the open crater. And open enough, people swim in this big crater. Open. That's Laguna de Apoyo in Nicaragua. Open crater volcano. They just changed it to a lagoon. So they said it's deactivated volcano. You will never ever hear anything. But this guy here, as I said in the video, this is Monbacho. Restaurants up here, big restaurants. This is our driver. His name is Jamil, and restaurants and tourists. More restaurants over there. In front of you guys, beautiful, magnificent, open crater. You can go swimming there, or go in a canoe, go around in a canoe. Okay, beautiful. And the town we see way over there is called Granada City. The city of Granada in Nicaragua. Towns around this open crater volcano. Apoyo volcano, now Lagoon of Apoyo.